Hello, boys and girls. This will be part 3 on our discussion on exponents. This problem can be found on page 12 in your math book. It is question number 27. Here it is right here. Number 27 reads, Kalisha was asked to write that big number in expanded form using exponents. Her response was that. Explain where she made mistakes and write the correct response. This is a very common kind of question that is on tests that you might take in class and at the end of the year, the state test. You're asked to look at what somebody else did and figure out where they made a mistake. Here's how I would want you to solve this problem. You see that large number, 80,808. You also see Kalisha's response. Instead of just staring at the problem and trying to figure it out there, I would recommend that you do it like this. I'm going to share my other screen with you. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm going to copy that problem down here. Here's Kalisha's problem. And what I would recommend is that you solve it yourself. So remember what to do here. I identify this. Here's what I do. I go right to that digit to the left of the comma and go, I know that that is 10 to the third. So that means this must be 10 to the what? That's right, to the fourth. So now I can come down right here and go 8 times 10 to the fourth. There's nothing there. So I'm going to come over here. This would be to the third. That means this is to the what? That's right. It's to the second. So then I come over here and I go 8 times 10 to the second. I'm going to skip this because there are no values there. Okay, there are 0 tens. Okay, go back to this one. This was 10 to the second. That means this must have been 10 to the first. This must be 10 to the 0 power. And then spot check. Ready? Let's spot check these. This is 10 to the 0. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. And 1 times 8 is 8. Does it equal 8 right there? It sure does. Let's check another one. Let's double check this one. 10 to the fourth, okay? That's going to be your 10,000. How many of them are there? There's 8. Then what you want to do is look at this answer that you have here and compare it to Kalisha's answer. I'm going to switch back to that. So we have to the fourth, to the second, to the 0. Let's see if we can see it. I can't show you both screens at once. We had, when we solved it, we have 4, 2, and 0. And you can see she has 2, 1, and 0. I want to spend just another minute. Let's come over here. Let's use the spotlight right here. She has 10 to the second right here. This equals 100. So 100 times 8, okay, that would get you this one right here, correct? Get you this one. She's all messed up. Kalisha made a lot of mistakes. Thank you. Send me any questions that you might have.